I'm MacPherson with the Saskatoon StarPhoenix, and here's what you need to know about my reporting on Legal Aid Saskatchewan over the last several weeks. Legal Aid's a government agency. Their job is simply to represent the province's most vulnerable people in court. They do criminal work, they do family work, tens of thousands of cases each year. That's what they do every day. What's the big picture here? Well, Legal Aid is pretty widely thought to be underfunded. It costs about $25 million a year to run. Most of that money comes from the province. And sources across the justice system, will say legal aid lawyers are overworked and the system needs more money to hire more lawyers to be more effective. What's going on in Saskatoon? What's the recent developments? Well, late last month, we reported that there's a big shake-up coming. 6 administrative staff are losing their jobs, 3 lawyer positions are going to be unfilled, and several thousand files are going to be farmed out to private lawyers. Those are mostly recent arrest files, processing people from arrest through to a first appearance, a guilty plea, or a bail hearing, in which case it will move on to trial. But it's the first step of the justice system. So why is this happening? Well, there's 2 reasons that have been given. One, Legal Aid contends it's about flexibility to reduce remand rates, the number of people sitting in jail who have been charged but not convicted. They say that most of that work happens early in the week, after weekend arrests, and they need private lawyers to be more flexible to clear out a backlog of people in the system. The union representing legal aid staffers, however, says they were led to believe by government officials that it's really about what have been characterized as personnel issues in the Saskatoon office. And finally, what's next? Well, these changes are, as far as we can tell, they're happening. Legal Aid says they're happening. The union has vowed to fight tooth and nail to keep them from happening, and we'll see over the next several months as these changes are rolled out what the next steps are.